48 years old, full-time job, side hustle, family, always tired. This is what burnout looks like. Emails, errands, deadlines. Modern life feels like a race no one's winning. But what if it didn't have to be this way? Today, we'll follow Alex. Same person, same schedule. But now with one game-changing difference. A life powered by artificial intelligence. Let's see how one ordinary day becomes extraordinary. Sleep tracked, room warmed, alarm synced with REM cycle. No groggy mornings. AI knows Alex's favorite roast, brewed fresh before they even get out of bed. No doom scrolling, just relevant info in 60 seconds. Personalized workouts from AI trainers adapt based on Alex's energy and goals. 8 o'clock a.m., time to tackle the workday, but smarter. AI finds what matters, deletes what doesn't. One tool drafts a client proposal. Another polishes tone and grammar. Time saved, 3 hours. Complex trends made simple instantly. Even non-coders can now automate tasks. No endless scrolling. Just start watching or listening. AI reads the mood and sets the scene. AI generates captions, hashtags, and video snippets in minutes. What used to take weeks now takes hours. AI isn't replacing effort, it's amplifying it. So how does all this magic work? Like a plant that grows by recognizing patterns in sunlight. Data feeds AI. AI reads and responds in human language. Think of it like a super literate assistant. AI recognizes objects in photos and videos, like a toddler learning by seeing. AI plus rules equals automatic actions, like your coffee brewing when your alarm goes off. AI reflects the data it's trained on. Humans must guide it ethically. Choose tools that respect your privacy and let you stay in control. AI won't replace people, but people using AI might replace those who don't. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. This isn't a sci-fi future. This is today, with the right mindset and the right tools. AI gave Alex clarity, control, and confidence, but more importantly, it gave back time. You don't need a PhD or a programming degree. You just need curiosity and a willingness to explore. AI won't take your job, but someone using AI might. Start small, try one tool, see one change, then build the life you deserve, powered by AI.
Thank you very much.
Subscribe now.